Not everybody wants to just look at a spreadsheet. Like, if you can get some interactive bar graphs and kind of some charting and things like that to where you're not just looking at numbers on a sheet of paper. It's much more eye-catching. I think the data is more easily read, being able to see how it flows up and down, being able to click around it and adjust it and tweak it as you want has been very, very refreshing. There's a couple of reports that I get emailed every morning at 7 a.m. So I know, previous days' numbers and things like that. We've gone as far as link it up to a couple of our the PLC is on a couple of our automated plating lines. And so it grabs the exit data off of the lines and sends me an email every morning with what the guys did yesterday. So I know, hey, was there an issue on the line? I can get to my operator. Why did you guys only do X amount of pounds of work? What's going on, that kind of a deal. Whatever it is, I get an answer out of them. The data is there, and you can be able to ask the questions you need to. All the stuff can be before you get out of bed in the morning. The email's waiting for you, so you know what kind of problems you're dealing with out in the shop, and that before you get to the shop, you go out and talk to the operator. They may or may not tell you what was going on the day before, but this thing is the information out of the computer is what it is, and there's no arguing with that. It's been good having all the data and easily accessible and laid out in a nice manner.